So now in this class we are going to see how you make your fabric transparent. In most cases we won't be deleting any patterns. We need that support to hold the garment very, you know, like for example we have a sweetheart neckline. So hit G on your keyboard and I will be drawing till where I want the dot. So after that, we use C, which is the curve curvature tool, and we will shape the curve. And then that sweetheart neckline is done. Now with Z and with with Z, you can cut and sew. So now we can see any pattern that any neckline that we have applied, right? I will add my fabric here and I will go all the way down until I see this opacity. Okay, which means how much, how much transparent you can make your fabric. If you want to make your fabric somewhat sheer, like you don't want very much to see through, you can show something like that and give the same color as it is, uh you know some netted blouse or something like that. You can give this illusion or completely decrease the opacity to see the neckline. Okay, now we have see we will be seeing only this part, we don't be seeing this part. And this is how you make your bodice transparent. And if you're going for a very deep neckline at the back, like so, convert into first click on the point, right click and convert into curve point. Okay, after that cut and sew. Now see the difference. We will be using the same fabric. In initial stages, you will be needing only one fabric. If you are making very, you know, more than one thing, you will be needing a multiple types of transparent fabric. Make sure you double click on the name and name it as transparent. Now, now if we assign that also, we will have a blouse which is ready. You no need to jug. If we delete something, what happens? I'll show you. I'll be deleting the back pattern in case you don't know. I'll 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 show you with the demonstration when the piece is present. I'll be deleting this and simulate. Now see the difference. It is getting dragged, and if your uh thing is getting dragged like that, the simulation won't be proper. So don't delete any of the support and just make it transparent. Although you will not be seeing any, you know, this thing, you will be having a perfect finishing and your necklines will also come nicely. Okay, this is how it is done. And keep in mind that don't delete any of your fabric pattern. It may cause if you're deleting, if you're and good thing about this transparent fabric is it will be there, but it will give that illusion of your garment is having. its own place. It will give the illusion as it is not there only, although you can see it on the 3D window, 2D window, sorry. So in this way, you can make your transparent fabric and your garment, sometimes your garment needs some sort of support. So this is what you can do.